the exhilaration, like when I tour with Nick, I got to like perform in front of like 2,000 people. When you got 2,000 people like all laughing at once, that's an experience that you don't need, you'd have to experience. There's no way of describing it, but it's pretty amazing.
Do you think it's really rewarding when you actually do, get more gigs or see the audience really reacting the way you wanted them to?
This is going to sound cheap. I do it for the love of the game. I love, I don't know, it's exhilarating, I have like anxiety, I get neurotic, and maybe that's a New York influence too, is Woody Allen too. It's like I get like very, very neurotic. Like if I see people not doing well on the show, let's say I mean, I still do bar shows, whatever. And like, I'll see people not doing well. And I'm like sitting there going like, oh man, this is bad. Or I'll see someone killing and I'll be like, oh, they're sucking all the laughs out of the crowd, and I'm about to go on, and I'm just sitting there like, I don't know. So, I mean, luckily, knock on wood, I haven't bombed in a long time, but it's like, yeah, cause I don't know. I'm all over the place right now, but, yeah, I just I get excited, and it's, the exhilaration, like when I tour with Nick, I got to like perform in front of like 2,000 people. When you got 2,000 people like all laughing at once, that's an experience that you don't need, you'd have to experience. There's no way of describing it, but it's pretty amazing. Like I got an applause break when I was in Minnesota because I did Donald Trump in Spanish. And I didn't think they were going to get it because I even asked before the show started, how many Latinos here? Like, no one made a sound. So it was like all white people. And I'm thinking like, oh, I'm going to do the Spanish joke. And I tested it. I remember being so nervous doing that joke. But when I got the applause break, it was like, you can even hear it. I have a clip of it, but you can even hear it in my voice going like, oh, you guys like that. That was great. Like I didn't know, but that's exhilarating, and it's something you just can't describe. It's a rush.
How much of it is an actual trial and error experience?
It's always trial and error. I mean, sometimes you can go like cruise control when you're on stage, when you just know your jokes, the rhythm, the way you're going to say them, and you go in cruise control and you just whatever. But I mean, that rarely happens because once you stop getting nervous before a show, then what's the point? Like you always got to be nervous. But what was the question again? What was that?
Don't worry about it. We'll move on.